These are the price per ounce. And the Gravis is the lowest. Quince is the third. Sundays is the second. So I'm going to put 5, 3, and 4 here. In fact, 3 and 4 here. And based on the ranking, if we want to beat these 3 competitors, our target should be less than this. So let's put 0.26 per ounce. 0.26 per ounce here. 0.26 per ounce. So this is kind of like the target. And let's look at the size. Obviously, Quince is the first, Sunday second, Gravis number 3. So 3, 5, 4. And the largest is 7.5. We don't have to put that much, but if we're close, like 7 or 7 ounce or maybe 7.2, should be good enough. Let's look third category, calories. Again, for the same reason, we have to use calories per ounce. For the first, the Gravis is going to be 440 divided by 5.5. You got 80, and then 640 divided by 7.5 for cream burger. You got 85.33, and 540 divided by 6. You got 90. 90 here. And 90 here. I don't know what happened to this. Okay. So we got 90. The more calorie the better, or the less calorie the better. I'll go with the suggestion from the nutrition specialist. The lower the better. So it's going to be 4, 5, 4, and 3. 5, 4, and 3. That's the ranking. And our target should not exist lowest. So let's put either 78 or 75 to 80. To 80. So that's kind of that we can't get lower than that. The bulbs can't get lower than that. And then sodium, again we do sodium per ounce. 75 divided by 5.5. 13.64. So we do the same thing for the other 2 categories. We got 12.67, 13.33. I know the lower the sodium, the better. My doctor always told me that. So again, we are going to put, because this time Quince is the lowest. No, let's check it. So this number is not right. Yep, it is right. So Quince is lowest. I put Quince as number 5, and then the other one, I'll just put 5. 3, 4, and 3. 4, 5, and 3. And then the target shouldn't exist the highest. which is 12, lowest, which is 12, and then because our target is 7, so 12 times 7 ounces is going to be 84. It's going to be 84. This is 12 times 7. Because our target size is 7, and then we want the sodium is 12 something, so 84, 85 is our target. 84. And then the percent fat, again we have to calculate the total fat. This time we can't use percent fat per weight, they're the same, so we have to use total fat. So it's percent times weight, 13%, which is, and then this one is going to be 75 times 23, and this one is going to be 6 times 16, so 96. So the less fat the better. 5. This is way too high, so I make it 2, and then this one is 4. So 5, 2, and 4. Again, this evaluation is your judge. And then the target, the lowest is 13, and because it may have very little relationship with the taste, weak relationship, so let's make it 12%. 12%. So this is the target. This is the target. And compared to the target versus the selling point, we can set up the deployment point as number 1, the price, number 2, the size, and number 3, the calories. So these are the sales deployment points, and some suggestions for the product design. Number 1, keep sodium low. Number 2, keep the percent fat low. Number 3, reduce the calories per ounce. And number 4, price 25 cents per ounce. And number 5, 7 ounces. Wait. So this is based on our QFD analysis. We set up this deployment, the target and the deployment. So this is the use of QFD methods. This is the use of QFD methods. Again, the relationships and the competitive evaluation rankings is decided by the design expert. Design experts. Different people may have different ranking. This is just my opinion. Yours may be different. Yours may be different than mine. So the last step, determine which technical requirement to deploy in the remainder of the product and delivery process. So that's the last step. And we set up a target and then set up the deployment. Okay, so this is the QFD, the use of QFD house of quality to set up the design feature.